Welcome to this detailed guide on how to monitor user activity on your WordPress website using the WP Activity Log plugin. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress interface, log in with your account, and access the activity log to see all user actions on your site. We will walk through each process in a clear and natural way so you can easily follow along. Begin by opening your internet browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the homepage is fully loaded, locate the login option, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this login option will take you to the login page where you can begin the process of authenticating yourself. After clicking the login link, you will see an option to continue with a Google account. This makes the login process simple and efficient by allowing you to select an account that you have previously associated with WordPress. Once you choose your account from the list provided, the system will automatically authenticate and redirect you to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you are logged in, your next step is to access Jetpack. To do this, simply navigate within your dashboard until you find the Jetpack section. Selecting Jetpack will bring you to the Jetpack interface where various tools and integrations, including the WP Activity Log plugin, are available for use. In the Jetpack area, look for the Activity Log feature. This section is designed to offer a comprehensive view of all the user activity on your website. Once you click on the Activity Log option, you will be presented with a detailed list of events, providing you with complete transparency about what is happening on your site. This information is crucial for maintaining security and understanding user behavior. With the Activity Log now open, you can observe all the registered user activities that have taken place across your site. The log displays a chronological record of events, allowing you to review actions such as logins, post updates, content modifications, and much more. This feature is especially useful in identifying any irregularities or potential security issues by monitoring who is doing what and when. You have full visibility into your site's interactions, which empowers you to make informed decisions regarding site management and security. This step-by-step process not only helps you monitor user activity, but also ensures that your site remains secure and transparent. The WP Activity Log plugin integrated with Jetpack provides all the details you need, presented in a neat and accessible format. By following these instructions, you are equipped with the tools necessary to maintain the integrity of your site and manage user interactions effectively. Thank you for joining this straightforward tutorial on monitoring user activity with the WP Activity Log plugin on WordPress. Follow these steps carefully to keep your website running smoothly and securely. Enjoy a heightened sense of control and awareness as you manage your WordPress website and its user interactions.